Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export your video as mp4. So to export your video, click on export. Once you click on export, then click on advanced right here. Then under format, make sure click on format and make sure mp4 is selected. Then after that, then I'll go to the codec. Now make sure that now select this, which is the quality based VPR. Then after that, click on video. Then make sure that full JPEG is selected. And after that also, it's not much. Then under the codec again, scroll down. Okay. Then make sure that you select this, which is GX2726. Click it. Then now export your video, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and